I'm Gillian. I'm an intern here at the Oregon Garden in Silverton. The Oregon Garden was founded in partnership with the city of Silverton to cool the effluent treated wastewater that gets pumped out of their wastewater treatment plant and goes through our wetlands here at the garden before it's released into Brush Creek. So the garden's mission really is to facilitate a connection between people and nature and just find that community here at the garden. For my project, since I'm looking at the management of the resources at the greenhouses, right now the greenhouses don't get the heat that they need to provide the plants with the most beneficial ecosystem and environment for them to thrive. So I'm looking at getting new heaters for the greenhouses, either electric or propane powered heaters. I'm hoping to insulate the greenhouses with low-cost UV resistant horticultural bubble wrap, and that will last up to 25 years if we store it correctly during the summers. One of my other projects is getting effluent water, which is treated wastewater, down to the greenhouses for use for irrigation. I learned that they don't use any chemicals and they really only use biological processes to clean and sanitize the water. As an OASIS intern, I've had so much fun this summer. I've got to meet a lot of people that I wouldn't have had a chance to meet otherwise. Got to learn so much. One of my favorite parts about the internship is that there's really not an expectation that you know everything. It's really a learning experience, and I've had the opportunity to learn about greenhouses, gardening, resource management, water treatment. So valuable and interesting to me.